Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to use a bonus bet on Bet365. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time I upload new videos. Now, let's get started. First of all, you need to open your web browser. Then, on the search bar, type in bet365.com. Once you press enter, you'll be taken to this website. Now, once you're on this website, click on this login button and log into your account using your login credentials. Once you have entered your credentials, just click on this login button. And once you are logged in, click on your profile at the top right corner. Then, this menu will pop up. On this menu, click on where it says My Offer. Once you go to this section, you will see this Deposit Now button. Click on it. Then, they will ask you to enter your bank details. So, go ahead and enter your bank details, or you can link any other payment methods. Once you have done so, you'll have to deposit a minimum of $10. And once you have done so, you will receive $30 as a bonus. So, this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Also, turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.